is freezing out there. I know the thermometer says 24, but wear your gloves. I forgot my gloves and that was my first mistake. Shake it off. Anyway, so today, I'm sure you can guess by the ingredients I have in front of me, I'm gonna make some hummus. Hummus is yummus. And if you haven't heard that before, then I don't know, where are you from? So you need chickpeas, you need salt, you need a little bit of cumin, olive oil, baking soda, garlic, lemon, tahini. That's it for ingredients. And then you need a food processor, and then I have this for straining. So the instructions say even if you have a can of chickpeas, you wash them, rinse them, and then you put them in a half teaspoon of baking soda, cover it with water, and then you boil it for 20 minutes. So it's kind of like a whole thing. You will also need ice water. But first I'm going to rinse these chickpeas, boil them, but I'll show you me boiling them. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat to medium. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Coat all them. And I'm gonna just put in enough water so that they're all covered. So I'm gonna put in a tiny bit more water. So while that is boiling, I'm going to just roughly dice this little piece of garlic, this one clove, to get ready to put in the food processor. Smells amazing. So next oh shoot, oh, it's boiling over. Gotta turn it down. Be careful, people. Okay. Jesus. Okay. Make sure your chickpeas don't boil over. So there's a few ways to do this because I have to squeeze most of this lemon out. So do I want to I think I'll get some cloth. I have a bunch of cheesecloth, so I figure why not just use it. Just cut off like, I don't know what's been cut already. I don't want to just like cut and not. Is this just a full piece? Whatever this is, we're just gonna cut it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic in. You need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, so you gotta roll the lemon, get the juices flowing, then I'm gonna cut it in half. This is where the cheesecloth comes in. You just wrap it around that side of the lemon, just so the seeds don't come out, and then you can squeeze it right in. So you need about a quarter cup of lemon. I honestly don't know. It says you might need at least 1.5, 2 lemons, but I only have 1. So I'm just gonna squeeze these till they are no longer. Uno. Oh, a seed. A seed got through. Success. I have no idea how much lemon is there. My hangnails hurt. Now I need a half teaspoon of salt, so I'm just gonna guesstimate. It says sea salt, so basically out of this salt. Yeah, but I just wanted to finish it. We're gonna put a dash more. Okay. Now I'm gonna food process this on low. It's not doing so much because my food processor is big and it won't really chop anything. So the chickpeas are almost ready. I'm gonna check on those and then we'll get back and put everything in here. So it has been about 20 minutes and you can see that the chickpeas are bloated and that the skins are falling off just a little bit. I did turn the heat down so it's not on as rapid of a boil as it was before. It boiled over, so I had to turn it down a little bit. So I'm gonna turn the heat off and I'm going to rinse it in cold water for 30 seconds. Okay, so now we need a half cup of tahini. My thick tahini is what it is. You can use store-bought. And also I just wanted to mention that the garlic sitting in the lemon juice is really gonna like tone down its like sharpness. This is like peanut butter. Oh, what are you gonna do? Okay, so here's my half cup. throw this in. Extra dollop for good measure. I'm going to put this on low, see what happens. Scrape the sides. Next you need 2 tablespoons of ice water. 1, 2. Oh, I'm gonna let it mix. Doesn't look like the water's fully mixed in. So I'm gonna do the sides again. Okay. It looks really fluffy and creamy. So next we need 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Here's 1/4. Do 2 of these. 1, 2. Next, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Extra virgin. 1/2. 1. Then lastly we can put in the chickpeas. Include all of the skins on the chickpeas, and then we're gonna blend it for 1 minute on low. Yay! Okay, we need some carrots. So excited! So the recipe is from Cooking Kate, and she said she usually adds more lemon and usually adds more salt. And sometimes when serving, people just drizzle the olive oil on top. So that's an option too. Wow. That's good. You know, it's very sesame. So, I don't know. I think I would use less tahini. Could have just been because my tahini is so potent because I roasted it and did a lot of stuff to that tahini. But let's put it in here. Let's put some extra olive oil in. With the olive oil on top, it makes it really, really creamy and delicious. I might add a little more olive oil. And I think when I write the recipe, I will write it without garlic because you can't have raw garlic. I don't get it. It definitely was still very punchy. Maybe just put in some garlic powder instead of garlic, or use roasted garlic. I'm sure roasted garlic would be unreal, but it's like the garlic flavor is way too strong. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.